Welcome. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my dear friends.
1 to 10. Simple sentences, subject plus verb plus object. She dances gracefully. They build sandcastles. He reads novels. The cat chases birds. We sing in the choir. I drink coffee. The sun sets beautifully. Dogs bark loudly. Students study diligently. The baby laughs joyfully. 11 to 20. Present simple tense. 11. I play tennis every Saturday. He always arrives on time. The train departs at 3 p.m. She watches movies regularly. We live in a big city. It rains a lot in this season. They love chocolate ice cream. The museum opens at 10 a.m. The teacher explains concepts well. My sister speaks French fluently. 21 to 30. Past simple tense. 21. She visited Paris last year. They finished their homework yesterday. The concert ended at midnight. We traveled to Japan in 2019. He graduated from college in 2020. I saw that movie before. She cooked dinner for us. It snowed heavily last winter. The phone rang suddenly. We met at the park. 31 to 40. Future simple tense. 31. I will call you tomorrow. They are going to visit next week. The event starts at 7 p.m. She'll finish the project by Friday. We plan to travel in the summer. He will buy a new car soon. I'm sure they'll love the gift. The store opens at 9 a.m. tomorrow. They will perform on stage. We'll see each other later. 41 to 50. Adjectives. The red car is fast. She has a beautiful garden. The old man is wise. They live in a cozy house. It's a hot summer day. The big elephant trumpets loudly. My new phone is expensive. She wore a stunning dress. The tall tree provides shade. The movie was thrilling. 51 to 60. Adverbs. He runs quickly. She sings beautifully. They spoke softly. The sun set slowly.